Hello kids, let's learn to week's name. Sunday, Monday, beautiful colors. Kids, colors name: orange color, blue color, sky blue color, light green color, pink color, red color, light pink color, purple color, green color, yellow color, and brown color. S U N D A Y. Sunday. Sunday means Ravivar. M O N D A Y. Monday. Monday means Somwar. T U E S D A Y. Tuesday. Tuesday means Mangalwar. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. Wednesday means Budhwar. T H U R S D A Y. Thursday. Thursday means Guruvar. F R I D A Y. Friday. Friday means Shukrar. S A T U R D A Y. Saturday. Saturday means Shanivar. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.